What's up, everybody? Today, we're talking about the wAP. And before YouTube gets any ideas, this isn't that kind of wAP. This is the MikroTik wAP AC, and this is one of the most practical outdoor access points you can install if your Wi-Fi keeps dying the second you step outside. The wAP AC is a compact, weatherproof, dual-band wireless access point designed for outdoor or semi-outdoor installs. Places like patios, porches, backyards, warehouses, or exterior walls. And anywhere Wi-Fi just doesn't seem to reach. It's small, clean looking, and blends into the environment, instead of screaming expensive network gear. Most home routers are designed for inside coverage. The moment you walk outside, Wi-Fi drops, video calls freeze, music buffers, smart devices disconnect. That's because walls, insulation, and distance absolutely destroy signal strength. The wAP AC fixes that by putting Wi-Fi exactly where you need it. This is a dual band access point, running 2.4 gigahertz for older or longer range devices and 5 gigahertz for faster, less congested connections. Together, you get AC 1200 wireless performance with concurrent coverage. Translation: older devices stay connected while newer devices get faster speeds without fighting for airtime. At its core, MikroTik upgraded the revision with a quad-core CPU, more RAM, improved antenna performance, and 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports. It keeps connections stable, handles multiple clients better, and supports advanced router OS features without choking under load. One of the smartest parts of this device is how it installs. The mounting hardware is hidden inside the case, so once it's installed, there aren't any obvious brackets or exposed screws. There's even an anti-vandal screw option to prevent tampering, and you can route the Ethernet cable directly through the wall behind the unit, which keeps the install clean and almost invisible. This unit is rated IP54 and tested from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. So rain, heat, cold, dust, or snow isn't going to stop it. And it has passive cooling, which means no fans, no moving parts. It's designed to sit outside and just work. Power options are flexible too. You can run it using a PoE in or a DC jack. And with dual Gigabit Ethernet ports, you can get flexibility for network expansion or pass-through setups. And here's the part people usually don't expect. This device comes in at a very affordable price point compared to most outdoor access points, while still running full MikroTik router OS. That means no subscriptions, no locked features, and full control if you want it. Simple setup if you want basic coverage, advanced configuration if you want to go deeper into that wAP. So if your Wi-Fi disappears the moment you step outside, it might be time to add the wAP to your network. The wAP AC delivers reliable outdoor coverage, solid performance, and a clean install without overcomplicating things. Turns out, the right wAP doesn't cause problems, it fixes your Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.